Hey folks, Mike again with TV Parts Today. We're going to be working on a Samsung unit, a UN50RU7100F. This one's going to be pretty simple. The only tool you're going to need are your mitts. As always, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 for any parts, and let's get into it. Alrighty, once we have the back off of this unit, our first order of business is going to be this speaker. It is held in by two blue rubber plugs. One here and one here, and then we can see the cable right here connecting to the main board. So what we're going to do is just lift this up out of the frame. Very simple, just lift straight up. And then here's our clip. We're just going to pinch down and pull it out. And now we've got our speaker out of the way. Next order of business, looks like we've got 1, 2, 3 more clips here, 2 ribbon cables, and looks like no screws on this unit. As mentioned, it's just going to be your mitts on this one. So let's start with this guy. Pinch it on the sides and we can just pull this cable right out. Ribbon cables. Flip up that flap and you can see a strip of tape right here. You can remove that if need be. There's one here on this other guy as well. As long as you're careful, you should be able to just shimmy that on out of there. Same with this one. Flip it up. Pull that guy on out of there. Let's go with this one first. Pinch down on the top and just pull that clip right out of there. That goes to our power button. This one here, same situation. Pinch it down. And maybe, there we go. And then just take a glance across here, look for your nubbin. Looks like it's going to be right here on this corner. So for this one, we're just going to lift up on that corner and this whole board is going to shift out that direction. And there we have our main board. And moving on over to the power supply, we've just got one cable holding it in here, and then we have one clip here on the side that we're going to want to press down on this latch at the same time that we lift up on this nubbin over here. So let's get this disconnected first. There we go. What you're going to want to do on this part is push down on this while you lift up on this nubbin over here. Just to get it released, and then we can just shimmy this whole piece out. And that's our power supply. All right, pretty simple removal process there. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, if you do subscribe to the channel, your first order with us will qualify for 20% off. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.